Softening your speech. How sort of and kind of can make you sound polite. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of polite conversation. We'll specifically be focusing on how you can use hedging language to soften your speech and sound more polite. Our keywords for today are sort of and kind of. Hedging language, in a nutshell, is a way to express uncertainty or indirectness. When you're unsure about something, or you want to make a statement less direct or harsh, you use hedging. In English, common hedging phrases include I think, maybe, possibly, and our focus for today, sort of, and kind of. Sort of and kind of are interchangeable and can be used to make your statements sound less certain or absolute, which often makes them seem more polite or less aggressive. Let's look at a couple of examples. 1. This cake is sweet versus this cake is sort of sweet. 2. You're wrong versus you're kind of wrong. In both examples, the second statement with sort of or kind of comes across as softer and less direct than the first. Now, let's practice. Here are a few more examples for you to try. 1. The movie was boring can be softened to the movie was sort of boring. 2. He's late can be softened to he's kind of late. 3. The test is hard can be softened to the test is sort of hard. Try using these phrases in your daily conversations, and notice how it changes the tone of your statements. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to use sort of and kind of to soften your language and sound more polite. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and the way we phrase our thoughts can significantly impact our conversations. So, keep practicing and start incorporating these phrases into your daily English use. Happy learning, and remember, practice makes perfect.